Hi, it's Eliz. So for today's class, we're gonna flow through Sun Salutation A, Warrior 1, Warrior 2, and set up Warrior 3, so it's a nice little balance challenge. So we'll start in mountain pose, big toes touching, heels slightly apart, shoulders up, back and down, palms rotated forward. Close your eyes for a moment and notice your breath. On your next inhale, reach your arms up, palms touch. As you exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step your feet back, high plank position. Inhale, shoulders move over the wrist. Exhale, lower all the way down. Tops of your feet pressing against the mat, kneecaps lifted, thumbs a little closer to your ribs. Inhale, lift your chest, little baby cobra. Exhale, lower down. Tuck your toes, send your hips up and back. Downward facing dog for 3 breaths. So just notice if you need to adjust your feet or your hands. Make sure your head is heavy. One more full breath cycle. Inhale, lift the heels and look forward. Exhale, feet in between your hands. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to fold. Root to rise, stand all the way up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step back. This time lower all the way down as you exhale. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in. Complete breath out. On your next inhale, reach your right leg back behind you. As you exhale, step the foot through wide. Hop your left foot up a couple inches, root down through that left heel. Inhale, Warrior 1. Exhale to settle in. So right hip back, left hip forward, anchoring through the outer edge of your foot. Feel the length through the sides of your waist. Take one more inhale. As you exhale, center your right foot, step your left foot way back, coming into Warrior 2. So check in that you have that back arch to front heel alignment and that you could see your right big toe. Subtle pressure against the hands. Keep your heart lifted. Focal point or drishti is straight down your fingers. Flip the right palm up. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, hands down to surround your foot. Step your right foot back to meet the left. Just push straight back to downward facing dog. On your next inhale, reach your left leg back. Exhale, step it through wide. Drop the right heel. Inhale, Warrior 1. Exhale, settle in. So hip bones like headlights are shining forward. If your shoulders are a little tight today, just widen the distance between your hands. Take one more inhale and grow through the sides of your waist. Exhale, Warrior 2. Do you see your left big toe? Press down through your hands, lift your heart. Check in with your lower back. Make sure you're not collapsing. Knit in those bottom ribs. Don't forget to breathe. Flip the left palm up. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, hands down to surround your foot. Step your left foot back to meet the right, straight back. Downward facing dog. On your next inhale, lift the heels and look forward. Exhale, step your feet up in between your hands. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale to fold. So bend the knees. Send your tail back. So start with your ribs on your thighs. Reach your fingers forward and then peel your chest off your thighs. Utkatasana, chair pose, also known as awkward pose. Sit a little deeper and lift your chest. Stand all the way up, Tadasana, mountain pose. So let's set up our Warrior 3. So for Warrior 3, have your feet about hips width distance apart. You're gonna step your left foot back into a high lunge position. So all 10 toes are rotated forward. Instead of leaning back with your knee bent, which would be a high lunge, you're gonna hinge your chest forward and press through the left heel, pull the right hip back. So your ribs are hovering over your right thigh. Keep your eyes forward, about a foot in front of you. Bring your thumbs to your sternum, and instead of using momentum, we're gonna use weight distribution. So shift more weight onto your right big toe, more weight onto your right big toe until your left toes pop off the ground. So flex that left foot back, pinky toe is pointing down. If this is too challenging for your balance, tap your big toe and every once in a while, just lift it off the ground. So your right knee will always be at least a little bit bent. And the more you dip your chest, the more that knee bends, and it gives you more space to lift the back foot. And then from here, you can add airplane arms, arms by your sides. Or if you want that extra balance challenge, reaching them forward. Bring your thumbs to your sternum and slowly step up. So that was warrior 3. Let's do it on the other side. So feet or hips width distance. Start with bending your knees, stepping back to a quick high lunge. But instead of leaning back, you're gonna flex through that right heel. That is your anchor. Left hip back, heart forward, thumbs to sternum. Find your focal point and commit to staring at that spot the entire time. And then shift your weight forward. Shift your weight forward, shift your weight forward. Bing. Foot floats, square off the hip. Flex through that heel, it helps you with your balance. Keep that left knee bent. The tendency is to lock your leg. It doesn't really help, so soften that knee. Shooting energy rays from that back foot, and then if balance is on, airplane arms, holding a beach ball, or thumbs to sternum. Bend your left knee, dip your chest, lift your right leg a little higher. One more inhale. Exhale, slowly rise. Right foot down, mountain pose. So let's take it from the top and just add warrior 3 to the sequence. Perfect. Inhale, reach your arms up, palms touch. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step back, and lower all the way down as you empty out your lungs. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, tuck your toes. Downward facing dog for 3 deep breaths. So slow everything down. One more breath. So inhale, reach your right leg back behind you. Exhale, step the foot through wide, drop the left heel. Listen up. Inhale, warrior 1, warrior 2. So warrior 2 is an open hip posture. Warrior 3 is a closed hip posture. So we need to pick up the back heel to transition safely. So from warrior 2, bring your hands onto your waist. Lift the left heel. You can hop up if you need to. Turn so that all 10 toes are rotated forward. Now you can safely find your balance. So thumbs to sternum. Don't kick off that back foot. Shift forward, but it's so much easier. I know, but we want to use our muscles. Float the legs, square off the hip, flex through the heel, maybe lifting the foot a little higher, maybe switching out the hands. Listen up. Thumbs to sternum. Bend your right knee more. Step those left toes down, drop the heel. Huzzah! Warrior 2. Flip the right palm up, inhale, reverse. Exhale, hands down to surround your foot. Step your right foot back. We're gonna just push straight back to down dog. Breathe. Inhale, reach your left leg back. Exhale, step it through, drop the right heel. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. Take a moment, go from where you were to where you are. You're here. Okay, hands to hips. Lift the right heel. Turn those toes forward. Bring your thumbs to your sternum. Hinge. Shift your weight, bing. Square off the hip. Flex that floating foot. Sit a little deeper, possibly lifting the leg, possibly changing your arms. Thumbs to sternum. Bend the left knee a little more. Drop the right toes. Swivel the right heel down. Warrior 2, like ninjas. Flip the left palm up. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, hands down to surround your foot. Lift the right heel. Listen up. Step your right foot up to meet the left. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand all the way up. Palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Palms by your hips. Mountain pose. Thank you so much for taking class with me. And if you enjoyed this sequence, check out my 30-day yoga series for beginners. It helps you breathe, it helps you with anxiety, and sets the foundation for all of your yoga poses.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by PsycheTruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of